Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the July Boxycharm unboxing. This is just the base box. I know last month I promised to do a quarterly Boxycharm review. I will still do that. I'm just behind on my filming schedule as I keep mentioning, but this is particularly timely to get up, so it's jumping the line significantly on my filming schedule. You will notice that I no longer have the premium box. I did decide to cancel that because I was still only enjoying 3 to 4 of the products each month, same as base box. So with the additional $10 to $15, because there's the exchange rate for me in Canada, it just wasn't worth it. Even though I have had good luck reselling the items I don't want, they're not cluttering up my collection. I just don't need the more. The goal with getting both boxes was to eventually choose which one I wanted to keep for a recurring subscription, and I chose to keep my base box over the premium box. So with that, Boxycharm base box is a monthly subscription box that costs $25 per month. It does work out to be a little over 40 Canadian dollars for me with the exchange rate and a shipping charge to come across the border. They promise a retail value of at least $125. So with that out of the way, let's open this up. I have my little card here. It has lemons and limes on it. That's really cute. The theme is sunshine, and I have the variation 70. I mention this every month. I don't like that they are now doing so many variations. I do like that there's some variations. I remember back in the day where everyone got the exact same 5 products, but I have variation 70. That's a little excessive. Maybe like 5 variations I would feel like better with. It's hard to get excited about what your box may look like, and then you end up not getting any of the products you were excited about. But I'm going to start off with the item that I actually chose. So every month you do get to choose one product from a certain selection. I'm blinding you with the white box. This is from Clean Skin Club. They do have the cruelty-free and vegan sticker made in the USA on here, so that's part of the reason I chose this product. This is their vitamin C brightening booster with watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. It says the super potent vitamin C brightening booster supercharges your cream or serum to firm and brighten the appearance of the skin while naturally gives you a younger, regenerated look. The concentrated formula contains watermelon and green tea extracts which help reduce sun damage, even out skin tone, and improve the appearance of aged and stressed skin. So because this is a booster, it's something that you mix in with some of your other products. I'm really curious to try this. I definitely have I mention it often, the melasma spot on my forehead that I'm really trying to brighten up, as well as some acne scars. So I was really curious with this product. The bottle is gorgeous on this. This does retail for $50 while $49.95, and I'm really happy with my choice. Let's see what else is in here. This is the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner. Lavish is a cruelty-free and I believe vegan as well brush brand. We have received their brushes in Boxycharm in the past. This retails for $20. I actually already have a color switch dupe product, and I really don't feel like I need multiple of them. They're really quick and easy to rinse the shadow out of, and they just take a couple hours to dry, so I don't feel like I need a backup. So this will be going in my giveaway / potentially reselling bin to pass along to somebody else, but it is a great product. I just personally don't need it. This is from Hank & Henry in the shade Sext Satin Matte Lipstick, cruelty-free. This retails for $17. Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. Now, I've seen some things on Twitter that I really did not like regarding the owner of this brand. So anything that's unused, I will not be keeping for myself. You can do your own research. I was not comfortable with some of the things that happened. This packaging looks just like the Jaclyn Hill packaging kind of, but red. You press the button, and this also, like, brand owner, brand aside, is not something that I want to use. It's like coated with glitter. I don't know. I'm not going to swatch this. I'm not going to keep this product, and I don't feel good about supporting this brand right now. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say about that. So this is also going to be resold. I was so excited to see this in my box. This is the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. I did receive mine in warm brown. I typically like a more ashy tone in my brows. I was looking up swatches, and maybe if one of my sisters-in-law get a different shade, we can swap or something, because we all like me and my sisters-in-law all get Boxycharm, and we do product swaps every couple of months with the products that we don't want. Warm brunette I will use if I can't swap it out, because I'm so excited to try out this formula, and it will work for me. I just prefer a more cool toned brow. But I was so excited to receive an Hourglass product. The last item in the box is the Pure Festival 2.0 palette. I'm actually trying to pan a shade in the first version of the Pure Festival palette. This retails for $36 US. These are the shades. Let me open it and look at it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not, because I can't even open this up. I don't want to wreck the box in case I do want to pass it along. It is really beautiful. I'm not even really in frame. Very neutral. I think I'm going to look up reviews on this. Because I think I could create some really beautiful looks. Do I need it? No, I don't need any new eyeshadows ever. But if it's something that I think I would use and enjoy, like Utopia here is just drawing my eye so much. Same with this Dreamland, that peachy matte. Okay, I'm going to look up reviews and then decide if I'm going to keep this, but this palette does look really beautiful. Part of me just knows that I should pass it along, because I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I already don't use that are very neutral, very beautiful, same as this one. But then part of me really wants to keep it because I'm a hoarder, and also I do like Pure's eyeshadow formula. It's not my all-time favorite, that's for sure, but I do enjoy the palettes that I have. So what do you think I should do with this? I'm going to spend some time to think about this, but it's a really nice product to receive in a Boxycharm. I would have preferred the other two options were the Ace Beauté face palettes. There's a blush one and a bronzer one. I definitely would have kept those. So for that reason, it's kind of a bummer that I got the Pure palette, but I'm also not mad about it. The overall retail price of my box was $150.95. That's in US dollars. I will do a conversion and put it up on the screen here for what that would be for my fellow Canadians. I'm pretty happy with this month's box. It's not my favorite. I'm really excited about my choice item, the skincare booster and the brow pencil. I love brow products. I don't know if I mention that a lot on my channel, but I really do like trying out new brow products, and Hourglass is a very fancy luxury brand, cruelty-free. Super happy with that. The palette is not a bad product. I like it. I don't love it. I still need to decide if I want to keep it. And then I will be passing along the color switch, just because I feel like I don't need a backup of a color switch. I have one. One's all you really need, because they're super quick to rinse out and clean. And the Hank & Henry lipstick, branding aside, just the product itself is not something I would want to keep regardless, but I'm also on the fence from the the brand. I've seen some things that I don't like, and like I mentioned earlier, you can go ahead and look that up yourself, or you can send me a DM or something like that. I don't want to really hash it out in the comments either. So I'm going to be passing this lipstick along as well. Let me know in the comments down below what you got in your July box. If this were your July box, would you have been happy with it? What do you think about the products? I would love to chat with you in the comments. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!